Smartphone cameras can take incredibly vibrant and detailed photos, but there's a limit to what built-in lenses and downloadable filters can accomplish. Sometimes you need something more than what your phone can provide on its own. Here at Movo, we're continually striving to change perspectives through mobile photography, which is why we've designed the perfect companion for the camera that never leaves your side. Introducing the SPL smartphone lens series from Movo. With 3 different lenses that perform a variety of different functions, you'll be equipped to take on a diverse range of shots and scenarios. Small enough to fit in your pocket and literally a snap to set up, the SPL lenses will change your smartphone videos forever. Installing the SPL lenses is easy. Simply clip the lens you want on top of your smartphone camera and start shooting. The SPL series was designed to work with smart devices of all shapes and sizes, iPhone or Android, on both front and back-facing cameras. The easy-to-use smartphone clip is compatible with all 3 lenses for easy swapping on the go. With an 18mm focal length, the SPL-WA wide-angle lens is perfect for capturing open spaces, sweeping panoramas, and everything in between. Get more of your friends in frame while taking a group selfie and push the boundaries of what your smartphone can capture. The SPL-FE fisheye lens captures images at a view angle of 238 degrees, making it ideal for action shots, sports photography, and documenting nature. The fisheye's dramatic field of view makes it easy to keep subjects in frame while on the move, creating unique photo and video in seconds. Go beyond your smartphone's built-in zoom with the SPL-TELE. This 3x telephoto lens adds invaluable range to your shots, making your image appear 3 times larger than it would without it. Capture crisp close-ups with ease, or use the lens to get some extra range from your phone's camera without having to move. When it's time to pack up, each SPL lens comes with a pair of protective lens caps, keeping storage and transportation stress-free. No matter where you are or what inspires you, the Movo SPL series makes it easier than ever to shoot breathtaking photos. From wide-open vistas to the tiniest detail, the SPL lenses allow your phone to get it all. Snap one on and see for yourself. Movo. Creators want it.